guys, I have a very special guest today. Meet my 5-year-old niece.
Hi, my name is Gaina. Hi, my name is Gaina. I'm going to paint with my aunt today.
I took a watercolor workshop from Alvaro Castagnet in June 2022 for 2 days in Amsterdam. People had traveled all the way from Egypt to attend his workshop. On the second day, Alvaro showed us how to paint figures and cars. At the end of the workshop, he suggested all of us to practice figures and cars every day for 15 minutes. You see, when it comes to figures or objects like cars or bikes, we get bogged down with details. We forget that the trick is to use minimum brush strokes. This is an easy, loose way to paint figures with just 4 to 5 brush strokes. Now listen to the music, relax and watch us paint. With a little bit of practice, you can easily paint figures in watercolor. If you found this video helpful, please do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Mona Frey Art for more videos. See you soon.